I will show you how to make these hanging Easter eggs. I used different natural material, different cord to make these hanging eggs. It's jute cord, braided linen cord, and twisted linen cord. Firstly, to make these eggs, you will need plastic eggs as the base. This is really small, this is really big. You can make in multiple size, and these ones are made in regular egg size. You can also make eggs without the hanging loop, just like this, to put it nice on the table as a decoration, or to put a sticker from the bottom and to put in a vase or something on your table. You will also need hot glue, something to make the hole into the plastic egg, and scissors. For the start, we will need an egg and something to make a hole. So right here on the top in the center, I'm making a hole, maybe 1 centimeter, like this. Make it quite, maybe a half centimeter in diameter, like this. We need this hole to create this hanging for the egg. I will put it on the Easter tree. Now let's put some hot glue in the middle of this hole, not too much. I will be using twisted linen cord. Let's cut the end to have it nice. And now let's put it in the middle right here in the hole, like twist it a little bit to put it in the middle nicely, like this. And we need to make a loop. You can make it as big as you prefer. Maybe I would say this long. Now with hot glue, let's put a little bit around right here. As close to the hole as possible. Be careful, the glue is really hot, not to burn your fingers. Just like this. So we have the beginning, and now let's put some glue and let's put right here close to the egg the cord, and like this, step by step, not too much of glue. It can be like a meditation. Just like this. A little bit of glue, and then add the cord to it nicely. I'm not putting the glue to all of the round because they can get hard, so just like this. Of course, you can add the glue not to all of the places, because if here we have glue and here we have glue, then this part is also keeping in its place, just like this. So continue doing the same as you fill all the egg with the cord. I'm in the middle of decorating the egg. Just like this. Really nice. I would say it's like meditation. Now ending of just doing the same, putting hot glue and then adding the cord nicely to it. Putting hot glue and adding the cord nicely to it, like this. Now for the very end, let's fill all the end with hot glue, like this, and nicely adding the cord next to row by row, and at the very end just cut the cord and add it nicely to the bottom. So this is the bottom, this is the top, and the egg is done. So actually you can use any type of cord, just use 4, 5, 6 millimeters cord, hot glue, and you will have fabulous decorations for your Easter. Materials that I used, it's twisted linen cord 4 millimeters, twisted braided linen cord 5 millimeters, and 4 millimeters twisted jute cord. So the colors are a bit different and it really makes really nice looking. So this egg is made from linen cord. It's twisted linen cord 4 or 5 millimeters. This is how it looks like. I think you can get it at any craft store. Just as I'm using hot glue, do not take very thin cord, as I was tried to make it with string. Like this is 1 millimeter string, so it's not really easy and nice to make it with such a thin string. So use, I would say, 4, 5, 6 millimeters cord. I prefer natural material, as it's Easter and really nice look of natural materials. This egg is made from jute cord. This is the jute that I was using. It's brown, it's 4 millimeters, and this is how it looks like. And the last one, this is the third egg. I used braided linen cord. It looks like this. It's 5 millimeters, and it's also like a brown shade. So these are the eggs. If you have any questions, please let me know. You can also check my other how to make crafts, how to crochet, my other YouTube videos. So thank you for watching. Subscribe my channel and watch my other craft videos too. So happy Easter!